Good evening. Welcome to the news. First, let's take a look at the headlines. Union Cabinet approves digital agriculture mission with total cost of rupees 2,817 crore. Union Minister of State for Minority Affairs George Kurian reviews developmental progress in Southwest Garo Hills. Union Tourism Minister Gajendra Singh Shekhawat chairs Northeastern and Eastern States Union Territories Tourism Ministers Conference. National People's Party celebrates its Foundation Day. And Tura MP selling Sangma slams Congress turncoats. The news in detail. The Union Cabinet has approved the Digital Agriculture Mission with total cost of 2,817 crore rupees. Addressing media in New Delhi today, Information and Broadcasting Minister Ashwini Vaishnav said major decisions have been taken in the Cabinet meeting for improving the lives of farmers and increasing their income. He said the Digital Agriculture Mission is being developed on lines of the structure of digital public infrastructure for agriculture.
पहला है डिजिटल एग्रीकल्चर मिशन। डिजिटल एग्रीकल्चर मिशन बेसिकली जो डीपीआई का स्ट्रक्चर है, डिजिटल पब्लिक इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर का स्ट्रक्चर है, उसी आधार पे एग्रीकल्चर के लिए इसका डेवलपमेंट किया जा रहा है। कुछ अच्छे पायलट प्रोजेक्ट्स हुए हैं, बहुत अच्छी सक्सेस मिली है। 2,817 करोड़ रुपीस की टोटल इन्वेस्टमेंट से ये बनेगा। इसमें दो फाउंडेशनल पिलर्स रहेंगे। एक रहेगा एग्री स्टैक, दूसरा रहेगा कृषि डिसीजन सपोर्ट सिस्टम। एग्री स्टैक में सारा बेसिक डेटा, किसानों का डेटा, जमीन का डेटा, क्रॉप का डेटा, ये सब रहेगा।
Union Minister of State for Minority Affairs, Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying George Kurian visited Southwest Garo Hills to assess the progress of various developmental schemes. During his visit, he held a meeting with district officials at the DRDA Conference Hall, Ampati, discussing the implementation of flagship programs under the central government's Act East policy. The minister inspected the Belbari PHC and Monabari Angatwadi Center, engaging with staff and beneficiaries. He also met with self-help groups at the Talbari Village organization, commending their innovative use of water hyacinth plants.
But it does not reach the people. That means our GDP increased, but it should reach the people. The per capita income of the people should increase. That is the way we are acting now. Each and every Indian citizen should get the benefit of the with the economic power. That is for that we should increase the income of the people.
The Union Minister of Tourism Gajendra Singh Shekhawat today chaired a significant Tourism Ministers Conference held in Shillong, which brought together tourism ministers from the Northeastern, Eastern States and Union Territories. The conference deliberated on several critical issues, including the development of iconic tourist centers, the identification of alternate destinations, marketing and promotion strategies, data utilization, ease of doing business, attracting private investments, cleanliness and ensuring tourist safety. This day-long conclave organized by the Ministry of Tourism was focused on shaping the future of tourism in India and discussing strategies for its sustainable development.
When we say resources, the natural resources और the consider किए गए तो समझ में आता है कि it is उसके चलते हुए हमारे यहाँ दो तरह के
People's Party today celebrated its founding day, honoring its founding members who have been with the party since its inception. The party's leader expressed gratitude to these members for their dedication and commitment. Speaking at the occasion, National President Conrad Sangma welcomed new members and leaders who have joined the party, emphasizing that everyone is part of the NPP family. The leader also highlighted the party's commitment to indigenous rights and its accessibility to the people of the state. He encouraged party members to be humble and grounded and to always remember the people they serve.
The important thing to remember here.
People will support you. But if you are driven by the desire to get a position, or if you're driven by desire of wealth, you are bound to make the wrong decisions in life and in politics. And friends, let this be one of the biggest points or takeaways, I should say, from this Foundation Day. Then let our politics be driven by the need to serve the people of our state.
Tura MP Sangma has said the 3 Congress MLAs who joined the NPP will be fooled by the government in the name of development. Recalling the NPP's claims about taking up development initiatives at the constituencies of the 3 legislators, Saling said the NPP had inaugurated blocks and projects just before the Lok Sabha elections, but many of those are not working. He said the MLAs who once shouted against corruption joined those they were protesting against. He said the Congress has decided to include new faces with new ideas in the party.
How NPP has fooled during the election, just before the election 2023, they have inaugurated lots of projects, even blocks also, okay? They've inaugurated the blocks, but yet none of the blocks, I mean some of the blocks is still yet to be constructed. No figure is there till now, not only the blocks. How many school is completed till that? Just imagine that one. None of the school is functioning till now. Look at. So, how do you expect that this government will give them something tomorrow? Again, maybe for Celestian, maybe for Charles, maybe for Gabriel, they might again make them Ulu by inaugurating just with a block of foundation stone, or maybe inaugurating again virtually. This government is a virtual.
The Congress party, which recently suffered a massive blow in Meghalaya after 3 legislators deserted the party, is confident of revival in the state. Congress lone MLA Ronnie V. Lingdor said that the party is gaining strength nationally and even in Meghalaya. People from different backgrounds are willing to join the party. He said that the people still have trust in the party and it's only a matter of time when the party will regain its full strength in Meghalaya as well as in other states.
It's the tendency or the trend. When you're out of power, then people tend to gravitate less towards that party which is out of power. So I think now with as you just said, that at the national level, the party has been gaining strength and we've been improving the number of seats that we have won. I believe that will act as a kind of motivation for other people to, those who have left the party to rejoin the party, and those who are interested in active politics can join the Congress party.
The 77th birth anniversary of the late Purno Ajitok Sangma, a former Lok Sabha Speaker and Union Minister, was commemorated with a significant event held at the Tura District Auditorium. The event was organized by the National People's Party, People's Youth Front and the PA Sangma Foundation. The occasion also marked the 12th Foundation Day dedicated to his memory. Dr. J.D. Sangma presented a detailed account of the life of the late P.A. Sangma, emphasizing his noteworthy contributions to Indian politics and his lasting influence in Meghalaya. In a bid to enhance educational quality, Nongpoh MLA Miral Bonds aim today inaugurated a new functional literacy and numeracy FLN classroom at D1 Secondary School in Rebhoy district. This classroom, designed for the nursery students within the lower primary section, aims to support early childhood education through practical activity-based teaching facilitated by information and communication technology. During the ceremony, the MLA also presented 10 wall fans to the school and also provided a financial contribution to support D1 Secondary School's educational initiatives.
Kabalong Beijing Stang, Kabalong Foundation, na kebentai di help kiberit di dunia. Kabalong Malawi, Tunadong Bakathan, kani ka area Punden Tuni Barok Koi. Bagi sufu itu nak berkuliah ni, kimde tang senong diwan, nilai celah nak kalian kijaga senong diwan paramarjan, banyawan ban ha ini jadi pun beliau jenang desa.
Deputy Commissioner of Rebhoy District Abhilash Baranwal, along with Dr. Manan Kaushal, Independent Director of ITDC, officially launched and handed over an ambulance to Civil Hospital Nongpoh today. The ambulance, provided through India Tourism Development Corporation Limited, is intended to enhance emergency medical services for the residents of Rebhoy district. Speaking at the event, Baranwal expressed optimism that the new ambulance will significantly improve the civil hospital's capacity to deliver emergency medical care to the district's residents.
Good morning to our this ambulance will be put to good service by the civil hospital, and it will aid their efforts in providing medical emergency facilities to the residents of this district. Rebhoy being a district in which accidents are also common. Moreover, most of the critical patients have to be transported as well. In light of all these facts, the importance of ambulance cannot be emphasized more. So again, I would like to pay my sincere regard to ITDC for choosing Rebhoy for this CSR initiative in which we have got this ambulance.
In connection with the robbery case at Umran petrol pump Umran Nyang Bernai, the Rebhoy police yesterday arrested 4 persons from Dimapur district, Nagaland, identified as Bokavi Ziomomi 25, Pashanlam 32, Rokanguli Kepu 18 and Salipi 26. It may mention that in the wee hour of the August 25th, the 4 persons assaulted the manager and staffs of the said petrol pump and stole cash amounting to Rs 4.25 lakhs along with 3 mobile phones. The arrested persons are produced in the district court for police remand. And now for the weather report. The maximum temperature was recorded at 25.3 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was recorded at 16.7 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 76% and the relative humidity in the evening was 83%. Rainfall 6.8 millimeters, and the forecast states scattered light to moderate rainfall and thunder showers very likely to occur at few places. Before we end the news, here's a look at the headlines once again. Union Cabinet approves Digital Agriculture Mission with total cost of Rs 2,817 crore. Union Minister of State for Minority Affairs George Kurian reviews developmental progress in Southwest Garo Hills. Union Tourism Minister Gajendra Singh Shekhawat chairs Northeastern and Eastern States Union Territories Tourism Ministers Conference. National People's Party celebrates its Foundation Day. And Tura MP selling Sangma slams Congress turncoats. With that, we've come to the end of today's edition of the news. Thank you for watching.